Ka subkomiti jonga sarkar jela kalahap bansong hadu artili ki jingelang hadian bakaladon ka jingetan telai yanu banjit banlong kertong monlang banmi khamat ek sarkar sanrap hakani election MP Rajya Sabha deitat hadu kani ka sibalang balala ban penkongo ya baro ki parti ki badan ka sarkar sanrap banjit yu Dr. WR Kharluki badairu state president ke NPP kum kertong monlang hakani election MP Rajya Sabha ka banlong hakani ka administratif mantau bana habakaran bad kilat patai ko board chairman jengka komiti jit kertong ba presiden tensong badairu sembut meterang ba dakawa kubur bagi dan buon ki kerteng ki bami Enrika komiti dakawa eksor kelapan scam yo Dr. Kharluki ula kamru bau teu kertong unsa job sok hakate election.
I would like to inform you because the MDA has authorized the committee to declare the name of the candidate selected by the MDA. Okay, selected by the MDA for the upcoming Rajya Sabha election, which is fixed on the 26th of March 2020. So I am to inform you that Dr. Kharluki was unanimously selected by the MDA. Dr. Wanveroy Kharluki, WR Kharluki, to be our official candidate for the election to the Rajya Sabha on the 26th of March 2020. Last year, even 2019, MDA were won. And next, I think you remember even the speaker's election. Ultimately, we had a committee. No? Yeah. We had a committee, and ultimately we recommended one. Okay. So the same way we did for this upcoming Rajya Sabha election. He will represent for all of us here the MDA partners and the MDA government. 40 plus. So Dr. Kharluki is winning with 40 plus.